So we're going to randomize the names. Okay, it's all well and good having it all as me, but I want multiple different ones. Okay, so up in our attributes, I'm going to make a bit of space so it looks a bit nicer. I'm going to do string. I'm going to put these fields, so square brackets, which makes it an array, and I'm going to call these names. Maybe I'm going to do first name and last name so it randomizes. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah. So f name, okay, and I'm going to do string l name, okay. I'm going to put them private because it's only this class that needs them. Okay, so private string first name, private string last name. In the constructor, you should always initialize things in the constructor or methods. It's not really good form to initialize them outside of those. Okay, so don't do them up here. Don't do equals up here. Okay. If you ever get in the industry, in the Java industry, it's not really a good idea, basically. Okay, so right at the top of this constructor, I'm going to do f name equals, and then I'm going to do where is it? Sorry. Those, okay, the braces. So inside that basically means that I want to create an array inline, okay, so I can give it multiple different ones. So I'm going to do Ian, I'm going to do Paul. Oh, see what's wrong with it? Not bad. Oh yeah, sorry. No. Oh my god. What am I doing? Sorry. New string. There we go. That's my bad again. You can tell it's late at night on a Saturday. So Ian, Paul, we'll do Peter, rest in peace. James, David, Bill, and Andy. Okay. So that's my first name done. I'm going to do last names, L name, and we're going to do it exactly the same, but right the first time this time. New string, and then we're going to do, actually we're not going to do it. I'm going to quickly find a bunch of character generation, last name. Last name generator, fantasy surname generator, brilliant. That's exactly what I want. Yeah, so I've found a few. I'm going to just copy them in. I'm going to put them in quotes. I do apologize for this. I know it's boring to watch, but it's got to be done, sadly. That's it. Okay, so we have first names, we have last names. Now what we need to do is we need to actually randomize them. Okay, so where it says name, what I'm going to do is I'm going to name equals f name, and then open the fields because we don't need to add anything to it, we just need to get it. Okay, so in here we're going to do r dot next int, but what we're going to do is we're going to use how many items are in the array. So the way we can do this, the easy way to do this is f name dot length. Okay, because that length will always change depending on how many you've got in. Okay, so we can do that for the last name. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to add to this. So if I copy this and do that, we do this dot name plus then we'll do a space, and then we'll do a plus again. Okay, so we're adding this. So it's going to be last name now. Remember to change it to L name, not F name. Okay, so that's now set the name to something totally random. Okay, we're going to have millions of these. Okay, but we don't have to worry about it because we've done the random bits. Yep, perfect. So let's give it a try. Generate. There we go. That is your assignment. Okay, that's your program done. All right, just that easy. Now, if you wanted to modify it a bit further, what I'd do is add buttons, a minus button and a positive button, and then on the on click, I'd probably set the where am I going with this? Set the health, stamina, etc. to a +1 basically, and then show it in the boxes. But as I say, this is done. This is your entire assignment. So once you've done this, make sure you test it thoroughly. Make sure you do your evaluations, etc. Okay. So there we go.